Pokémon God Packs Explained. Imagine this. You get your hands on the newest and greatest Pokémon booster pack. Maybe you got it from a local shop, maybe someone gave it to you, and when you open it, you notice that something isn't quite right, and you quickly realize that what you just opened, oh my gosh, it's a God Pack!
The Team Rocket's Mewtwo, guys, we pulled it earlier this stream. That card, oh my god! God Pack!
Something you never thought you'd have in your own hands. You're shaking, you're full of excitement. This is the best day ever. The year is 2014, and Magic the Gathering just released its newest set, Journey into Nyx. This set is meant to close off the Theros block and contains a series of gods. But no one would expect what happened in the set. When a variety of players opened booster packs, and instead of finding the usual 15 cards that they were expected to, 15 gods from the Theros block would be inserted inside the pack. While rare booster packs filled with nothing but cards existed across a variety of trading card games before, the term God Pack was coined in that moment, and it would stick around to describe this experience for many years. In 2019, Pokémon was nearing the end of the Sun and Moon era, and over in Japan, a new set was on the horizon, generating echoes across the world. This set would feature some of the most iconic cards of the Sun and Moon era, and it was called Tag Team GX All-Stars, which would include some artwork that was never printed in English, with some unique cards for the Kanto starters and more. But Pokemon fans that have been collecting since the beginning never anticipated what was also waiting for them in this set, when some collectors started reporting something strange with their packs. Instead of pulling the usual hit or rare card in the pack, all 10 cards were full arts, rare Pokemon, or trainer cards. It's a God Pack! Pokemon had finally done it. God Packs were officially obtainable in the Pokemon trading card game, and for years after, Japanese high-class sets would contain God Packs in one form or another. In 2022 high-class Japanese set called V-Star Universe, Pokemon inserted a set of 9 cards that connect together. Caveat is that you could only pull these cards out of God Pack, making the chase extra special for this set. But despite V-Star Universe having an English release later that month, God Packs were still nowhere to be found in the English trading card game until 2023. In 2023, Pokemon announced what would become one of the most popular and in-demand sets of all time, a return to Kantos, and the original 151 Pokemon. This set was called Pokemon 151, and featured every single Pokemon from Generation 1. In Japan, the set released on June 16, 2023, and while it was not considered a high-class set like Tag Team GX All-Stars or V-Star Universe, collectors would quickly find out that it was possible to pull a God Pack out of this set, often featuring 2 full evolution lines of the starters, and rumors spread quickly that the English counterpart would also have God Packs. But those rumors were only half right, as some rare booster packs contained not a hit in every slot, but in only a portion of them. This was still incredibly rare and exciting. The term demigod pack was then introduced. Now, before I talk about the first English God Pack in the Pokemon trading card game, I have something to admit. I have never pulled a God Pack myself, but that doesn't stop me from trying. And every week you can catch me live over on Whatnot as I break into sets like Ascended Heroes, Pokemon 151, and more, trying to pull you a God Pack. And if you want to watch me try or participate in these streams, find my profile over on Whatnot to see my scheduled streams. And if you don't already have an account, use the link on the screen or in the description to earn $15 off your first purchase. I'm making it my personal goal to pull someone a God Pack. After the incredible success of Pokemon 151, it was time for the high-class set to release in Japan, and it would truly break the Pokemon world as we know it. With the reveal of Terrasso Festival, a set that revolves around all evolutions, and includes 32 special illustration rares, a number that surpassed every other set before it by a large margin. And of course, collectors expected to find God Packs in this set, but when the English version finally released in January of 2025, things took an unexpected turn. The first English Pokemon God Pack was born, and early sales of this card reached the $5,000 mark. If you opened one, you were a lucky duck. But little did we know, this would pave the way for Pokemon to include God Packs in a number of sets later, confirming the demand and the hype around these rare booster packs. In summer of 2025, Black Bolt and White Flare released simultaneously, bolstering a new rarity called BWR. These cards were often found inside God Packs, along with a number of illustration or special illustration cards. In 2026, Pokemon's Ascended Heroes features God Packs containing an assortment of rare cards, which can include the Forest Pikachu, the Pink Pikachu, the Mega Gengar SIR, just to name a few. While we did name a few sets that contain God Packs, here's a full list of them. In Japanese, we have Tag Team All-Stars GX, VMAX Climax, Shiny Star V, V-Star Universe, Terrasso Festival, Pokemon 151, Black Bolt and White Flare, and finally Mega Dream EX. In English, you can pull a demigod pack out of Pokemon 151, or a god pack from Prismatic Evolutions, Black Bolt, and White Flare, and finally, Ascended Heroes. Aside from the value of a priceless moment, god packs can carry a significant amount of value, but it all depends on which set and which cards are inside. In most cases, Japanese god packs aren't worth as much due to them being more readily available. The exception here is the original god pack from Tag Team GX All-Stars, which can contain some rare cards that were never released in any other language, making them much more valuable. Shiny Treasure god packs contain mostly baby shinies, which aren't that valuable compared to illustration rares or other cards found in other sets like Black Bolt and White Flare. I recently made a short video about this, as it's a question I often get in my shop or in comments, and the pull rates for god packs vary significantly, going all the way up to 1 in 2,000 packs for sets like Prismatic Evolutions, but the set that gives you the best chances of pulling one is one that I wouldn't recommend you open nowadays, since it's much older and pricier compared to the modern sets. But the set that has the best chances of pulling a god pack is the original one, Tag Team GX All-Stars, with the chances of 1 in 600 packs, which is 1 in 60 boxes. While most card collectors associate the term God Pack with Pokémon nowadays, there are a ton of other TCGs that use them to give their collectors something extra special. One Piece, for example, has been inserting God Packs in certain sets. Some sets like the Premium Booster allow collectors to pull one of every manga art rare available in that set, a God Pack valued at nearly $30,000. And there you have it, you're now an expert on God Packs. If you ever pulled one, let me know, and which one did you get? See you in the next one.